Hello everyone, today we will see the numerical base on moment of inertia of T section. So first example, find the moment of inertia of a T section as shown in figure about x-axis through the centroid of the section. This is the T section, this is the flange, and this is the web section with reference axis y and x. In this composite figure, which are located in first quadrant, having flange section of T, B is the flange section having B is the 15 cm and D is the 5 cm, and web section B is the 5 cm and D is the 15 cm. So we consider this is the first section and this is the second section. So draw the dotted line firstly. So this is the rectangle and this is also rectangle. Generally, this numericals on calculation of moment of inertia is solved into two parts. So first part is the calculation of centroid and second part is the calculation of moment of inertia. Let A1 and A2 are the area of section first and second respectively. X1 bar, X2 bar is the horizontal centroidal axis of section first and second. Y1 bar and Y2 bar is the vertical centroid of section first and second. Therefore, centroids of A1 and A2 are calculated and shown in table below. First of all, draw the table. Section number, name of section, area of section, X bar, Y bar, X bar and AY bar. So first section, T section, which contain two rectangles, means flange and web. So first section is the web section. Name of section is the rectangle. Area of rectangle is the B into D. This is the first section. So we have write A1 is equal to B1 into D1. So A1 is equal to, what is the value of B1 and D1 of first section? What is the value of B? 5 and D 15. So 5 into 15, B and D 75 centimeter square. Then calculate X bar. What is mean by X1 bar? X1 bar means distance between point G1 to base of y-axis. This is the X1 bar. So total distance is the 15 centimeter. So half distance is the 7.5 centimeter. So X1 bar is the 7.5 centimeter and Y1 bar, what is mean by Y1 bar? Distance between point G1 to base of x-axis, means this distance. So total is the web section 15 centimeter and half distance is the 15 by 2, means 7.5 centimeter. So Y1 bar is equal to 7.5 centimeter. AX bar, calculate AX bar means A1 X1, product of A1 X1, product, then we get 562.5, and AY bar, product of A1 Y1 is equal to 562.5. Second section is the rectangle of second section is the flange having B is equal to 15 centimeter and D is equal to 5 centimeter. So 15 into 5, 75 centimeter square. X2 bar is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Then what is meant by X2 bar? This is the second section. Difference between point G2 to base of y-axis means x2 bar. So total distance is 15 centimeter. 15 divided by 2, then we get 7.5. So x2 bar is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Then y2 bar is equal to, what is meant by y2 bar? Distance between point G2 to base of x-axis means 15 plus 5 divided by 2. This is the y2 bar. So 15 plus 5 divided by 2 means 2.5. Then y2 bar is equal to 17.5 centimeter. Then calculate A1, A2, X2 bar. Product of A2, X2 bar is equal to A2, X2 bar. Product of A2, X2 bar. Then we get 562.5. And product of A2, Y2 bar. Then we get 1312.5. Then calculate total summation of area and summation of AX bar, summation of AY bar. So 75 plus 75, summation A is equal to 150. And summation AX bar means A1X1 plus A2X2. Then we get 1125. A1Y1 plus A2Y2. Then we get 1875. So calculate X bar and Y bar. X bar is equal to summation of AX bar divided by summation AX bar 1125 divided by summation A 150 is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Then Y bar is equal to summation of AY bar 1875 divided by summation A 150 is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Then calculate, second part is the calculation of moment of inertia about x-axis, part 2. This is the reference axis x and y, T section. First section means G1, second section G2. This is the centroidal axis passing through G2 means x2. And this is the centroid of area means G is the passing through the axis XX. And this is the G1 passing through the axis x1. Okay. To find H1 and H2, see here the point G to G1. Point G to G1 is the H1, right? Point G to G2 means distance between point G to G2 is the H2. Okay, so find H1 is equal to Y bar minus Y1 bar. See here H1 find करना है. So Y bar, this is the total Y bar minus Y1 bar, then we get H1. Same H2 is equal to Y2 bar minus Y bar. H2 is equal to this distance calculate करना है. So Y2 bar minus Y bar, then we get H2. 17.5 minus 12.5, put the value of Y bar and Y1 bar, then we get 5 centimeter. Put the value of Y2 bar and Y bar, then we get 5 centimeter. We know that total centroid of section MI, we know that IXX is equal to IXX1 first section plus IXX second section, right? So IXX is equal to BDQ by 12 plus A1H1 square plus IXX2 means IG1. What is the value of IG1? Means rectangle, moment of inertia of rectangle BDQ by 12 about x-axis plus A2H2 square. Put the values, then we get answer. Ixx is equal to 5312.5 centimeter raised to 4. Okay, thank you.